Based on the search results, I can provide a detailed due diligence report on Commerce Bancshares Inc., CBSH, covering several of your requested areas. However, the available information does not cover all topics, such as technical analysis, detailed corporate governance, and specific tax practices. To give you a clear overview, here is a summary of the key findings. The following sections will then expand on the details for each category. Commerce Bancshares Inc., CBSH, Due Diligence Report Category Key Findings and Metrics. Company Overview. Business Model: Regional bank holding company operating through consumer, commercial, and wealth segments. Major competitors includes Hancock Whitney HWC, Fifth Third Bancorp FITB, and South State Bank SSB. Financial health as of November 2025. Market cap: $7.24 billion. Revenue TTM: $1.68 billion. Net income TTM: $556.37 million. Profit margin: 33.34%. Return on equity TTM: 15.60%. Valuation metrics: P/E ratio TTM: 12.97. Forward P/E 11.88. Price book MRQ 1.86. Price sales TTM 4.04. Growth potential and M&A. Recent acquisition agreement to acquire FineMark Holdings, expected close January 1, 2026, adding $7.7 billion in assets under administration and expanding wealth management footprint in Florida, Arizona, and South Carolina. Dividends and shareholder returns: forward dividend yield 2.08%. Payout ratio 26.04%. Dividend track record: increased dividend for 58 consecutive years. Ownership and sentiment: institutional ownership approximately 73.63%. Insider ownership approximately 2.58%. Analyst price target consensus $65.29 approx. 20% upside from current price. Uncovered areas and further research: the search results do not provide verified data for the following topics you requested. You will need to consult specialized sources for this information. Technical analysis: key support or resistance levels, moving averages, and momentum indicators. Corporate governance: board independence and detailed executive compensation. Supply chain exposure: supplier risks and logistics vulnerabilities. ESGO: sustainability, environmental impact and governance scores. Customer base: major client concentration and churn rate. Cyclicality and macroeconomic impact, detailed sensitivity to interest rates and economic cycles. Tax and accounting practices: effective tax rate and accounting policies. Employee and labor risks: turnover rates and labor relations. Innovation and moat: patent portfolio and R&D intensity. Detailed analysis of key sections: business model and industry position. Commerce Bancshares Inc. is a regional bank holding company for Commerce Bank, founded in 1865 and headquartered in Kansas City, Missouri. It operates through three main segments: consumer, offers retail banking services like deposits, consumer loans, mortgages, and credit and debit cards. Commercial, provides corporate lending, leasing, international services, and cash management for businesses. Wealth, manages trust, estate planning, investment portfolio management, brokerage, and private banking services. The company has a low stock price volatility with a 5-year monthly beta of 0.62, indicating it is 38% less volatile than the overall market. Financial health and profitability: Commerce Bancshares demonstrates strong and stable profitability, which is a key strength for a regional bank. Profitability: the company has an impressive operating margin TTM of 43.72% and a profit margin of 33.34%. Management effectiveness: it efficiently uses its assets and equity, with a return on assets TTM of 1.77% and a return on equity TTM of 15.60%. Valuation and peer comparison: the stock appears to be reasonably valued compared to its peers. The table below compares CBSH with to other regional banks. Metric Commerce Bankshares, CBSH, Hancock Whitney HWC Fifth Third Bancorp Fit P/E ratio, TTM 12.97 10.5 to information missing price. Book Merck 1.86 information missing dividend yield to 0.08% information missing growth potential and market sentiment. Strategic acquisition. The pending acquisition of FineMark is a significant growth driver, strategically bolstering its wealth management business in high-growth markets. Analyst outlook. The market sentiment is generally positive. The consensus analyst price target is $65.29, suggesting a potential upside of approximately 20% from the current price. Suggestions for further research. To complete your due diligence, consider these steps. Review SEC filings. Access the company's annual 10K and quarterly 10Q reports on the SEC SEDGA base for detailed financial statements, risk factors, and executive compensation details. Check ESG scores. Look up CBSH on dedicated ESG rating platforms like MSCI ESG Manager or Sustainalytics. Conduct technical analysis. Utilize charting tools on platforms like TradingView or Bloomberg to analyze price trends and trading volume. I hope this comprehensive report provides a solid foundation for your investment research. If you would like a deeper analysis of any specific area, such as its competitors or the details of the FineMark acquisition, please let me know.